Good day everyone, I am Theresa Veronica Toroba and I am going to create a math manipulative for the grade 3 students, and that is the place value slider. These are the materials that I have used in creating the place value slider: long bond paper or any white paper, construction paper, scissors, cutter, marker, double-sided tape or glue, ruler, and folder. Finally, I am done creating my math manipulative, which is the place value slider. This only consists of 4-digit numbers, which are ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. These can be used for all elementary grade levels, but specifically for the grade 3 levels. In using this, the students will pull the numbers according to the place value that was assigned by their teacher. The pulled number will be reflected below the labeled place value. I hope you have learned something today. Thank you and have a great day.